While the world buckled from the Covid-19 crisis and continues to, Russia for weeks appeared to downplay the threat, even giving aid to other nations. Well, that got us curious here at ABC News Live. How? But as we started to report out the situation on the ground, things rapidly started to change. Patrick Reevell has this report.
As the coronavirus ravaged Italy, there was a surprising arrival. The Russian military sent to help with disinfection efforts. A diplomatic coup for Moscow, and one meant to show Russia has things under control. But at home, Russians have faced an uncomfortable question. Can they trust their government to tell the truth? For weeks, Russia's coronavirus numbers were an outlier. Despite claiming to do more tests than almost any other country, Russia's percentage of reported cases was initially very low, just 0.2%, the second lowest in the world. The cause was unclear. Some blamed poor testing, others said early border closures had helped. Officials from Vladimir Putin down said things were better than elsewhere. But in a country where authorities have a long history of hiding bad news, suspicions of a cover-up quickly appeared.
The government is lying about coronavirus, about the quantity of cases, about the absence of protection.
Last week, during a televised exchange, Moscow's mayor finally acknowledged infections were higher than the official number. After that, things shifted, Putin donning a hazmat suit to visit a Moscow hospital. The doctor he met with now testing positive for coronavirus, a testament perhaps to a rapidly escalating situation. Moscow, a city of 13 million, now the center of Russia's epidemic as cases reach over 3,500 nationwide. The government telling Russia to lock down.
All measures necessary in this situation should be taken, even if those not involved into the problem consider them a bit excessive for Russia today. But as they say, God helps those who help themselves.
People ordered to stay at home, stores shuttered, streets deserted.
I went to a pharmacy to buy a mask. There's a shortage. This is it. I'm going straight back home now.
And Russia is turning to authoritarian technology to enforce the lockdown. Moscow has one of the largest facial recognition surveillance systems in the world. It's now being used to check people are staying home. Artem Kukharenko developed part of the technology.
The system performs real-time analytics of incoming video data.
Last week, Moscow was able to find more than 500 people who violates the quarantine. So we can imagine how much harm these people could do to the city and to all other people.
But there are fears the government's efforts to maintain a strong facade hide a much shakier reality. Anastasia Vasilyeva heads a doctors' campaign group. She's a staunch critic of Putin, but she says she's in touch with doctors across the country who say medical supplies are severely lacking.
The situation is awful, really. They are sewing the masks themselves. They have no masks, no respirators, no glasses, so no costumes to protect them. The situation is terrible all across Russia. In Moscow and St. Petersburg, in big cities, the situation is not so bad, but also we have no enough equipment, not enough protection.
As in China, Russia is racing to build hospitals, preparing for the inevitable influx of cases. And as elsewhere, Russians are wondering, how bad will it get? Patrick Reevell, ABC News, Dublin, Ireland.
Hi everyone, George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.